All right, traders, I think we are now live. Today is 20th of March 2020. We are on live day trading Russell 2000 June contract 2020. This is a micro account. So at this moment, I show you in my screen is the chart for M2K, which is also the same for RTY, which is the standard account for Russell. So 1 point is around $5. For the standard account, is 1 point is $50. So at this moment, we are on the buy position. In the normal account, you can earn 500 to 800 US dollar in profit quite easily for Russell market. So we are on the go at this moment. Looks good so far. We'll try to squeeze and create a better screen and chart. So this is the targeted. So I will place my position maybe 10:35 is the good place to exit the market. About that, so I place the order. Okay, looks good. Now we are 30, around 30, 31, and if we try to exit also, it's quite good because there's a spike here. There's a bullish confirmation, and also there's a spike. I think this will be easy money for me. $30. It's not much, but this is micro account. In the normal account, you will earn. Okay, I exit my position. Okay, in real account, you will earn around 300 US dollar. That's a standard because of the current margin is very high. The increase in the broker already increased it. So this cost me a lot, and I just do the micro account. So 30 points. Sorry, not 30 points. So we did enter at 10:25. So our exit is 10:31. So it should be around 6 points. So 1 point is around 50 US dollar. So 6 point, you just name it, it's around 300 US dollar in profit. So the price keep reaching up to my targeted TP area, but I will not wait long. And from my analysis here, there's a confirmation for the bullish as well for NQ. NQ, we have also a confirmation to go for the bullish just now, but it's not spike. But for Russell 2000 already spike, and for S&P also spike. I did miss the S&P. I should take the S&P as well for the day trade because should be around 15 ticks. So it's the almost the same profit like the Russell, but in terms of for Russell, the profit is much more lesser because the price didn't move as expected as the E-Mini S&P. So E-Mini S&P as well have a bullish signal to go for a long position. So over here 23.64, 65, and the highest, let me change it into the normal candle. Okay, so we can see there's a bullish over here, a bullish signal. Then the breakout is 2362.25, and then move up to this 2385. So just take a look how much it will cost you. It will provide you the profit around 15 points. So just tell me 15 points is quite a lot. 15 by 50 should be 750 US dollar in profit for a quick, I think, I believe within in 15 minutes time. So I believe if 12 minutes time, you will earn around 750 for S&P futures. So for me, I miss out this opportunity for the E-Mini S&P futures, but I already managed to secure in for this Russell 2000. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, it hit the targeted price level. So you can see over here, this is my profit. This is my profit targeted price level. Just now you saw it, but I already exit earlier because it's common that for me, as long I'm profit, then I just exit. So for me, $30, $50, or $80 with the normal account, which is quite good because the margin for day trade. Let's take a look at futures. Margin for the trade is quite cheap. Only recently, due to the volatility of the market, the margin have increased. We have to use the maintenance margin. So it's for me to go much because I didn't let my money a lot in this account. I just put it around 1,000 or 300 normally, and then grow from it and withdraw quite frequently every week or in 2 days time. Okay, so yeah, temporary margin decrease. That's typical. We have to use 100% maintenance margin at this moment, especially all the indexes. So let's wait this chart. Okay, let's wait this table. Okay, now see, this is the trade margin. That's why it's quite interesting for me to go into the day trade with the micro account, because I use around $25 and earn around 50 to 80 US dollar in profit, or even 30. So the ROI here is return of investment is more than 100%, or sometimes 200% or 300%. It's like double up. And this is a live proof. You can watch all my video in my channel, in YouTube channel. So that's why I'm interested. But for now, we have to use a 710 maintenance margin to use it in the each trading, day and night, as a session, Asia session, London session, and also US session. So as for now, it's Asia session. So the same goes. Okay, we have a double confirmation on the bullish. So this could be the final straw on the bullish movement, or maybe another further up to reach on the higher side. So let's take a look how high it will go. I think will it break the yesterday high? I'm not sure, but for me, I already out the market. I take the first bullish entry. If I want to let it run, I just need to put the stop loss at the bottom of each candle. So this is quite good, because this is a Kanashi candle, so it will not break the previous candle unless there is a doji there to show you that okay, this is a turnaround. Okay. So, okay, for S&P, for NQ, we can see NQ as well have the bullish signal. It's quite strong, a double bullish signal. So, keep bearish still last night since the morning said we can find the turnover over here. Just a nice little cup maybe. So there's a confirmation on the bullish NQ. So I don't have enough margin requirement to go into all three market. If you are using the normal day trade margin, then I can enter into three market simultaneously. So you can see the profit is quite a lot, especially for NQ. There's a lot of number of pips, sorry, a lot of number of ticks and also points, but the amount of one point is around $2 compared to this S&P and Russell. The 1 point equal to $5. So which is it's quite a lot. It's quite easily to make money. So this is okay. It hit the target. That's it. That's all we need. The first signal appear for the bullish movement somewhere here. You can see I did enter the market at this small Kian triangle over here. So let me draw something is possible. Okay, this, you can see this Kian triangle over here. Then I did exit in this red triangle. So it's a quick scalp. Yes, it's a quick scalp. But this is plus 6 points. Okay, which is 1 point is equal to $50 for a standard account. So you can earn $300 easily in the morning with that kind of a strategy, with this kind of candle signal, to go for a bullish above the VWAP line, and a few minutes you earn around $300. But for S&P, you earn around $750. There's a bit different in both market, because S&P move a bit more, but under this condition. But if the market remain on the normal situation, then this is more likely you will earn more in Russell 2000 compared to E-Mini S&P futures. It's like a jump which no one knows about it. For me, it's my cash cow over here to go for this Russell 2000 instead of S&P. But I will go both if the day margin come back to the normal requirement. So that's all for today. We have earned the profit. So overall, my profit just up to now is $200. 234. You can take a look over here, $224 in profit. It was a good one, and I do this every day. Trust me, every day I do this with my live account, and yeah, that's the way I do day trading since the past year. And also my crude oil is a very high winning rate. So have been a lot of traders already follow my crude oil, so you can watch in my playlist. There's also video for my crude oil, and there's a link to private channel. You can join, no problem. There's a newcomer special. There's also free trial for E-Mini S&P futures. Just go ahead, explore my channel. You will find something might be helpful for you guys. But in terms in returns, you have to pay the subscription. That's normal. It will be worth it. And yeah, I think that's all for today. A quick profit of how much just now. 10 if you are using the standard account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment below, and contact me for